Carbrook Hall. Carbrook Hall is a historic house in Sheffield, England, located in the Carbrook district of the city. The original building was owned by the Blunt family from 1176. This was rebuilt in 1462 and was bought by Thomas Bright, Lord of the Manor of Ecclesall, in the late 16th century. His descendant, John Bright, was an active Parliamentarian during the English Civil War, and the building was used as a Roundhead meeting place during the siege of Sheffield Castle. Most of the building was demolished in the 19th century. What survives is a Grade Roman II listed stone wing that was added c. 1620. It is currently occupied by Starbucks, having previously been used as a public house. Planning permission was granted in November 2018 to turn the building into a Starbucks drive-thru and coffeehouse. In 2019, Starbucks opened a drive-thru coffeehouse which maintains all the original features, including the plaster mouldings and wood paneling. It is reputed to be haunted, with a number of doors opening on their own.